Let me explain the homework sum. That is 8, 9 and 10. I told it's homework. Let's see 8 sum. Let a equal to 1 comma 2 and b equal to 3 comma 4. Write a cross b. You will be writing 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. How many subsets will a cross b have? What are the subsets it may have? List them. Now subsets, always I told what set is this? This is an empty set. Always this will be the subset of empty set, will be the subset of any set. As I told, subset is nothing but a set should contain within a set. That is a subset. So always empty set will be the subset, and let us if you are writing within bracket, that is a set. Now how many subsets will a cross b have? Since a cross b have 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, you may have 1 comma 2 as a set, 1 comma 4 as a set, 2 comma 3 as a set, 2 comma 4 as a set, or you may have 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 as a set, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3 as a set, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4 as a set. That is, you are creating your own set. Always empty set will be the subset, and this element may be a set, and 1 comma 4 may be a set, 2 comma 3 may be a set, 2 comma 4 may be a set. And what are the combinations? 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 may be a set, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3 may be a set, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4 may be a set. Then 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 may be a set, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4 may be a set, or 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4 may be a set, 1 comma 3, like this. All these 4 elements may be a set. Like this you need to frame as set. These will be the subsets of the given set a cross b. First you will be finding what is a cross b. After that you will be finding the subset. Subset is nothing but a set should be within a set. A set will contain an element, may not contain an element. So I am writing, if may not contain an element, it is an empty set. If it contains these elements, should be there in this a cross b, in this whole set. So if 1 comma 2 is there, 1 comma 2 is there in the set, so it is a subset. 1 comma 4 is there in the set, so it is a subset. Likewise you need to frame how many subsets it may have. If you have any doubt, you ping me personally. Let A and B be the two sets such that number of elements in A, number of elements in B they have given, and they have given the elements to be x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1, or in A cross B. Find A and B where x and y are distinct elements. In A, how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. So first elements always it will be A. That since it is A cross B. X, y, z will be A. X will contain, A will contain x, y, z, and B will contain, what is the second element? 1, 1, 2. Therefore B will contain 1 and 2. Therefore that is A and B, where x and y are. This is the answer. The next one, the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found to be minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. That is, this is also A, this is also A. Totally it has how many elements? 9 elements. So definitely A should have n of A into n of A. Therefore 3 into 3 only will be having 9. It is found to be minus 1 is there in the first set, 0 in the second set. 0 here and 1. Since A here, definitely the elements in set A should be the same. Here minus 1, 0 is there. Here 0 and 1 is there. Therefore definitely it should be minus 1 and 1. Then only A and this A and A should be equal now. The set should have the same elements. So if minus 1 and 0 is there, minus 1 and here they have given 0 comma 1, minus 1 and 0 is there, and 0 and 1 is there, definitely the elements in the set A should be minus 1, 0 and 1. After that find out the remaining elements of A cross A. Only 3 elements they have given, totally 9 elements should be there as they told. Complete your homework.